Hey guys, welcome back to the Flat Creek shop, and in today's video I want to help you with the issue with Inkscape on printing the 13 by 19 size prints and the 11 by 17 size prints. Most of the time if you try to print within Inkscape on those sizes, it will cut your image off while printing. So with these simple little fixes, you can print both those sizes out with, no issues. So let's get into it. We're going to start off by the 13 by 19 print size, okay? And what you're going to want to do is go up here to your document properties, and you're going to change this here to custom. And then once you change it to custom, you're going to change your size and width to 12.95 and your height to 18.95. Okay? And then once you've done that and you have your image where you want it, you will go up here to File and Print as you normally would. And I have it set as a preset in mind with all of my settings. So I'm just going to choose 13 by 19, which is actually your Super B 13 by 19. And you would set all of your settings, of course, to what you would like. You would hit OK, and then you would hit Print. And that will correct the issue with your 13 by 19 print size. Alright, now we're going to move to the 11 by 17 print size. With this one, it is a little bit different. For some reason, it doesn't want to use the typical 11 by 17 in your printer settings. So this part is going to be pretty much the same. You're going to go here, and you're going to change this to 10.95. and change your height to 16.95, and then of course get your image how you would like it, and then go to File and Print. More settings, and for this one it doesn't want to use the preset like it normally would. You're going to have to go up here to User Defined, and you're going to have to put in 11 by 17. And you're going to hit OK. Make sure all of your settings are where you want it to. You're going to hit OK again and hit Print. And that will correct both issues with the print sizes by the 13 by 19 and your 11 by 17 in Inkscape. I hope this guy helped y'all guys. Alright guys, that's it. I hope that helps with your issue with the 13 by 19 and 11 by 17 printing issues in Inkscape. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and continue to come back for more tutorials and helpful tips with Inkscape and small business, as in bleaching or anything like that. Alright, thank you for watching.